Hey y'all, I'm Ben from Bad Craft Motors, and this is our install video for this trim piece. Honda made it. We remanufacture it right here in Phoenix, Arizona. Do it ourselves using some friends' machinery. So anyway, smash that subscribe button. I don't know where it is yet, doesn't matter. Before installing this piece, you're gonna wanna clean both this and the inside. We've already washed the one that we sent to you. This one is about to get washed right now by me. So, and to clean, I'm just using Simple Green microfiber cloth. I could really use any sort of shop rag on this. It's gonna be covered up by the trim. And then you're just gonna want to spot clean in here where your tape is going to attach on the other side. So we've cleaned our bumper. We're putting our trim across the top. Boom, boom, boom. You want to apply that with pressure. Reposition it if you want to. Let it sit. It's going to cure on there. It's going to make it easier to pull this red thing off. Other good places for trim tape, if you want to add, are one of this raised portion in the middle, as well as along the bottom here between these three. That will give you a solid attachment. If you want to, you can use construction adhesive and gross stuff like that. That's part of why my bumper looks so disgusting. And then of course I always just have to rip it off so I can measure these, because we're still hand cutting these one at a time. This has been Ben with the install tips for our Honda Element front bumper trim. It is a part that we make here in the United States. Pull them ourselves, and smash that subscribe button. We do things for the Honda Element, like got these fog light covers we make out of 3D printed carbon fiber reinforced stuff. We got cab over lights kits for the Honda Element. We make this trim piece here, so you know, hit us up. So up next, I got a coil pack uninstall, reinstall. It was just time. Do them every 110,000 miles. So see you on the next video. Peace. One at a time. So if anybody has a busted bumper that is fine between these two things, I want it. Might even trade you one of these for it. Hit me up.